Hola, homeboys and gals. Crypto regs are dead in the US till I'm saying 2025 because they're piddling and paddling. We're also going to talk about the BTC ETF. Is there room for the pump to go on? Or is Christmas not going to be so happy? And by the way, streaming live later today, covering Jerome Powell's Fed rate announcement live. All right, John Page starts us off. The whole situation with XRP is like that human centipede move with Lizzie at the rear doing a song with her strap on. Whoa, that's not something I wanted to envision. That's probably something you didn't want to envision. Zeke the Whale says, what's a strap on? No, I'm not going over that. This is, not the time and place. Reverend Funky says, asparagus, please. No safe words today. Jerome's going to be good. He's going to be taking a pause. Bitcoin sitting at 42.96, ETH 22.20, XRP 61.4, XLM rounding it at 12.1. All right, here's the deal. You know what's going on, right? Jerome Powell and the Fed later today. Look, he's going to pause. Let's look past that. Regs aren't going to get done in the United States in 2023, obviously, because holy crap, we're in December, ain't nothing getting done. Well, they're not getting done in 2024. We've got an election to deal with. They're busy. BTC ETF pump. Let's take a look. Hey, BTC is moving this market. We've seen the alts follow the move with BTC. So now did BTC hold the big move? No, little correction coming back. The move over yet? No. Why? Because we still haven't had the approval yet of the ETF. The closer we get to the approval, that's when you're going to see the execution, in my opinion, of buy the rumor, sell the news. I still think you got a little bit of rumor left. Now, what will tell me a lot is if this secondary move here pierces the primary move, 44.705. Okay, so that's the BTC ETF action. Okay, I'm still thinking we got a little bit more juice from that. But in regards to regs, people are talking about, oh my God, US regs. Dude, do you know what we're doing? We're playing politic diddlywinks. Here we go. House tees up vote to formalize Biden impeachment inquiry tonight. Yeah, that's what they're busy with tonight. They're working on how they can do some Biden impeachment action. I mean, that's what your regulators are working for in the United States. Seriously, this is all a setup to the election. This is all leveraging one side versus the other side. What else we got? House set to vote on formalizing the impeachment. The vote comes as a potential showdown between House Republicans and Hunter Biden is also expected to come to a head on Wednesday. Holy crap, there's a lot. The president's son was subpoenaed for a closed-door meeting, but now he's like, nah, let's just make this public. They wanted closed door because they wanted answers. Okay, you don't want that stuff public because it's a lot of shenanigans. I wanted it closed door because I really wanted them to get the juice they need to then go from that step. Now, again, it's politics. Check it out. Hunter Biden appears to defy the House GOP subpoena to testify publicly. Joe Biden's son announced during brief remarks outside of the U.S. Capitol that he has chosen to testify at a public hearing to answer questions from House Republicans rather than a private one. Okay. It's politics. This is being played. So don't look for regs in the United States in 2024. Why? Because we're playing politics for the election now. And for those of you not familiar, the election will not be done until early November. Okay? Tuesday action. So that's what you got for that. Okay? Don't look for regs in the United States. Don't look for there to be trillions flowing into the market from the United States, from the institutional level, because regs are coming up soon. Regs aren't. Get that narrative, take it, and throw it somewhere way the F over there. You use your good arm. Use your good arm. Football spiral. Just toss that shit. Dow Jones falls after cool inflation data. Okay. So let's talk about that. Markets cooled a bit. Why did markets cool a bit? Because inflation data came out pretty hot. Like, actually really hot. Hot in terms of housing was still way too freakishly hot. Which means we might need some more oomph to get us in the right spot. Or you leave things high for longer to hopefully crush it for next housing season, which would be next year. So again, they're really trying to push that narrative in the distance of things getting done, okay, that are going to be good for the market. But we do know, though, if we can break housing, we're we're in the clear. We just got to get around it. We talked about that a lot in live, so we'll talk about it more today too. So if you want to do it, hit the subscribe bell. That's after hit the subscribe button, then hit the little bell thing so you get the notifications. Look, I don't subscribe to my own stuff, so like I'm just saying, you should. Okay, so that's the setup there. Now in terms of what we got, XLM XRP price action, the moves aren't holding. Okay, I don't care how you cut the news. I don't care how you cut your narrative. I don't care how you tell the story. You could tell it however you want. The price is 12.1. It could not hold here recently at 13.8 for XLM. XRP, look at, there you go. Zoom out and let's go just a little bit further right here. This most recent move, let's go to the 1 month, my bad on that. This most recent move here couldn't break 70 cents. We're sitting right now at 61.4. There's nothing else you need to know, right? In terms of, hey, guess what? We've got this and we've got this. No. What we've got is 61.4 cent XRP. Nowhere near ETH, nowhere near even talking about or thinking about or looking at or thinking anything in the near horizon is going to make us go to new ETHs, because even when the valve gets opened from central banks across the globe, they're not going to open it to money levels that we saw here. And you're seeing that the base floor of crypto is really following base Fed fund rate monetary policy. And honestly, there's a bunch of countries out there that follow the Fed. So you're totally seeing a mimic of the global crypto market, mimic the global central bank and Fed fund rates. So BTC ETF action, we might have some room for more short-term growth. Why? Because the news still isn't finalized yet, but we are getting more concrete dates, and it really looks like the first part of 2024, you're going to have the approval. How the market will shift once the approval happens, well, we've seen in gold, we've seen in silver, we've seen in securities, we've seen in crypto, we've seen in meme coins, we've seen in utility coins, we've seen in Bitcoin, we've seen it in all. Pumps and dumps, right? Buy the rumors, sell the news. Hey, buddy, what's up? Look at this. We got our doggy joining us. Hey, Vader, come here. You haven't been up on camera in a while. Come on up. Show everyone how big you are. Oh, my gosh, and that you can break all my lights. Look at my big doggy joining us. Look at my puppy. You're not even a puppy anymore. You're huge. You blocked me from the camera. Oh, my gosh, big guy. All right, get down. Look at your head. Oh, you're so cute. Love you, bud. Okay, guys, stop. Okay, so the deal with the BTC ETF, right? Buy the rumors, sell the news. We know early 2024 that we're going to get that action. Now, in terms of regs here in the United States, look, 2024, it's not going to happen. We're going to be looking at 2025. And that's if we get a change in the administration, okay? And that's if they really want to focus on crypto, because you see it's just cross the aisle politics, right? I mean, you got Hunter Biden defying a subpoena from the House. You know, you've got the House trying to figure out how they can do their impeachment stuff. Good luck getting that through the Senate. It's just... crypto regs is just not on the plate. And, you know, the big thing comes down to monetary policy, right? We're not going to get the political boom. It's going to have to come from a monetary policy standpoint. And that comes from Jerome Powell and the Fed, of which we are going to be live streaming later today. Right, buddy? Yeah, we are. We're going to be live streaming that later today, going over. Like I said, he's expected to pause, but it's when they start turning the valve, right? When they start turning it that little bit to our favor, that's what we're all looking for. First indicators are looking like March to April, everyone. So keep your eyes open for that. So I'll catch y'all later on the live stream, and enjoy the rest of your day.